My iPad is really something that I can't imagine myself living without. I'm currently using 12.9-inch iPad Pro with M1 processor, and I'm very much excited for iPad's next release. And if you are too, then make sure you stick till the end, because in this video I'm going to tell you about each and every leaks and rumors about the next generation of iPads. So first, let's talk about the most gorgeous thing about the iPads: display. Both of the models, that are 11 inches and 12.9 inches, will have a mini LED technology. The same technology that took my breath away when I saw it on this iPad last year. And just like you would expect these displays to be, they will be best in the industry, of course, because these liquid retina XDR displays have proven to offer better HDR, better color contrast, and better color reproduction. But these mini LEDs in the displays have known to consume more battery, which is why iPad Pro 2022 series is rumored to come with bigger battery size. And the newest upgrades to the iPad is rumored to be MagSafe charging. And if this happens, you will be able to charge your iPhone, your AirPods, and your iPad using single charger.
Oh my god! Wow!
But the MagSafe means that iPad Pro 2022 series will have a glass back, making it look more premium than ever. One rumor also suggests that this new series will have a bigger Apple logo on the glass back to help users to better position their devices for wireless charging. Which means, yes, you guessed it right, the new iPad Pros will support reverse wireless charging. By the way, if you like to stay updated with leaks and rumors just like this one, then make sure you subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. According to some reports, the chassis of the new iPads will be built from titanium, just like that of Apple Watch, making it look more premium and providing it an even better build. And since the titanium is little costlier than aluminium, this might be the reason why iPad Pro 2022 will be little costlier. Or maybe Apple might come up with an entirely new elite range of iPads with titanium casing. Who knows? Leaks suggest that apart from space grey and silver, a new color option will be joining the series this time. Now, it isn't still clear what color is this going to be, but feel free to make a wild guess in the comment sections down below. Talking about the performance, the iPad Pro 2022 series is rumored to be carrying forward the M2 chip from the MacBook series. And just like last year, this time also we can expect improved or giant leaps in performance, as Apple likes to call it. iPads with M1 chip have already proven themselves as best tablets in the market, but just the thought of having M2 chip on this thing is literally giving me chills. But I'll still have to wait till September, because iPad Pro 2022 series is rumored to be launching in September alongside iPhone 14 series, Apple Watch SE 2 and Apple Watch Series 8. And talking about the prices, the 11-inch model is expected to start at $899 or Rs 90,000 here in India, and the 12.9-inch model is rumored to be starting at $1,099 or Rs 1,10,000 here in India. Well, that is it for this video. If you like to stay updated with everything Apple, make sure you download the iGeeksBlog app from the App Store. This is me here signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.